just increased the RAM on my Beelink mini PC. It's my backup PC, and I just use it to play around. But the only thing I noticed, it does run a little hotter because it's pretty small, like 85 degrees Celsius. I think the top end of a TDP is 100 or 105. So it's a low wattage 5700U. And everything worked, so that's cool. The heat is the only thing I noticed, but it's really not bad. It never dies. I've never had a crash. But when I bought it, the documentation said 32 gigabytes, and I put in 64 gigabytes today, and it worked, and it works fine. So that's just a quick video on, yeah, you can really jack up the RAM on this thing. Happy 2025. Bye.